Hey there! Ever feel like your money disappears faster than a plate of cookies at a family gathering? It's like you just got paid and then poof, it's gone. You're not alone. Living paycheck to paycheck can be incredibly stressful, but don't worry, I've got you covered. We're in this together. Today we're talking about how to create a super simple monthly budget that will help you take control of your money. It's easier than you think. You see it every time you check your bank account, that pit in your stomach when you realize there's not as much left as you thought. It's a sinking feeling, right? But what if I told you that you can flip the script? Imagine feeling confident and in control of your finances. That's what creating a budget is all about, taking control back from your money and telling it where to go, instead of the other way around. Let's dive in and make it happen. First things first, how much money are you bringing in every month? And no, we're not counting Monopoly money. This includes everything. Your salary, side hustles, even birthday cash from Auntie Linda and Uncle Sam. Write it all down. The more accurate, the better. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start construction without knowing the size of your land, right? Trust me, this is the foundation of a solid financial future. Now comes the detective work, tracking your expenses. This is where you put on your detective hat and get to the bottom of your financial mysteries. Check your bank statements, those receipts crumpled at the bottom of your bag, and even that random note you wrote about $15 for pizza. Write down everything, no matter how small it seems. Think of it like this. You're a financial detective, hot on the trail of your money. Where's it going? Every dollar has a story. Is it leaking out on things you don't even care about? Are there expenses that surprise you? This step is crucial because it reveals your spending patterns. It shows you the truth about your financial habits. You might be surprised by what you find. Hidden costs and forgotten subscriptions can add up quickly. This isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. Understanding your spending pattern is the first step to taking control. Once you see where your money is going, you can start making conscious decisions about where you want it to go instead. It's all about making your money work for you. Next, let's categorize those expenses. We're talking about needs, wants, and savings. Needs are the essentials: rent, utilities, groceries. Wants are the fun stuff: Netflix, new shoes, dining out. And then there's savings, the most important department of them all. Remember, you're the CEO of your finances, and it's your job to allocate resources wisely. Now that you know your income and expenses, it's time to build your budget. One popular method is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your after-tax income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. But hey, this is just a guideline. The key is to find what works for your unique situation. The beauty of a budget is that it's not one size fits all. It's about taking control of your finances and making them work for you. And remember, a budget isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritization. The hardest part is starting, but you've got this. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Begin by tracking your expenses today. Seriously, grab a notebook, open a budgeting app, or even use a simple piece of paper. You can also download a spreadsheet template, whatever works best for you. The key is to start now. Remember, every small step gets you closer to financial freedom. Start small and stay consistent. Track your spending for a week, then 2 weeks, then a month. Watch how your habits evolve. As you get more comfortable, you can start fine-tuning your budget and making adjustments based on your goals. Set realistic targets. There will be setbacks, but the key is to stay consistent and keep moving forward. You've got this. Stay motivated and focused. That's it for today.